In this video, I will show you how to create Starlink account. So first thing, you need to go to starlink.com, the website, and you will choose whether you are like preferring residential or room one. I will pick the residential. I will get started. I will type the country that I lived in, United Kingdom, and after that I will get started. Even you don't find your country, you can view view availability and speeds map. So yeah, and then get started. So we'll redirect you to another page. This page will have like the condition that the payout things. First, no contracts, like chips in 1 up to 2 weeks to get the Starlink thing. And this you will have the light one and the speed one, like minus 250 and plus 400. So the product detail you will find here what is the difference between each other. So you will have the tensor light, you will have the standard, and there is a roof install, how to install your Starlink. Then after you pay out, you get the product. You will have to go back to the home bar, and then three dots, then sign in. For the sign in, please go to activate your Starlink. Here, your activation of the account of the Starlink itself, press it, and then you will need to type the Starlink identifier on your box that it is shipped to you after the checkout and the payouts and the payment proceed and so on. So you type the serial number and here the email. If you don't have an account, you will press the new account. If you already have existing account, so you will provide the same email that you have the Starlink account. So that's it. I hope you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.